know. Well, you walk around here, you gonna, well, today's the 29th, today's first day, the 29th of October, but one thing about it, but we look like we out here watching the storm, and gotta wait. We might get a storm, thunderstorm with tornadoes, but they call for tornadoes and wind gusts. Ain't no good life with us. Can't rule out good bell torn down here. Like on my previous bridge I had recorded one was getting close to Columbia. I'm like, man, I had did it right. I ain't like a storm chase. And there go the wind. They think gonna blow these leaves and stuff down. Oh, that tree almost done. Yeah, that tree almost done with them leaves. And this tree almost about to get done too. Almost done. It's done. Okay, completely done. There go that wind, y'all. There go the wind, y'all. Okay. Well, ooh, sorry about that. Gotta do them right there. Oh, this tree about to do the same thing too. Oh, they need coming off. Oh. You look at now. I'm gonna walk you over here. I remember I did that thing back in 2019 and 2020. I want this thing right here. Cloudy and wind because that's what the tropical storm. I'm like, they just went straight. It had to move away from us, but we got an effect from it because it's gone. We had the wind gusts. Oh well, there's gonna be a big cleanup around here. There's gonna be a big trash pile. We get a big trash pile go. Me out here, whoa, that. And now it's that wind because he's dropping all this stuff. Like, I don't know. Dumping it, right? Over here. It's going by. Well, look at the wind part. Look at the sky. Crowd looking mean too. Okay, I gotta break it down. Okay, they call for could be a storm with the tropical storm. With the tropical storm. That wind blowing right here. Under with this. Oh, gun about to come out. Gun about to come out. I hope the can pick it up. Hold the can pick it up. See, gun just came out. Go. I don't know if I could pick up on the camera or not. A peek of gun to pick it out. The guy just trying to pick it up on my camera. Try not bad. It's gonna be a long video, so. Oh wow, look at this, look at this. Oh wow. Man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Think about another storm tree. Oh, there you go. Get the gun picking out now. There you go. There you go. There you go. Got you on camera too. Picking out too. Trying to get that energy. That daytime heat. That energy. Trying to feel these storms. Trying to feel these storms. I think they go be. That wind from that tropical storm. Unless what we do. Take it by the hand. There go an airplane. Yeah, okay, get 10 foot. I'm gonna get that shot. making it rain. Yeah, they fun today. So yeah, I'll keep you going. Look at that.